I installed an aftermarket air conditioning unit from Coldmaster Inc. in my 1960 Impala. First I had to remove the old factory AC. So you can see I got my cover plate roughed in. I'm going to cut a hole right here with some rubber for the hoses to go through, the heater hoses and air conditioning hoses. I had to purchase the compressor bracket separately since it's a universal kit. Start by removing the first and third bolts on the exhaust manifold on the passenger side. Next, the upper bolt on the water pump. So use a couple spacers and that's where that bracket goes. This is what the lower bracket on the compressor looks like. And here you can see how it's mounted. Now I'm removing some of the bolts for the fan shroud so I can mount the AC condenser. Okay, I got the old condenser out. That was a job. I had to remove the header panel and all this hardware and the horns and hood latch. I had to get underneath and loosen this so I could turn it. And now there's plenty of room to put the new condenser in. Here you can see the condenser mounted with the auxiliary fan. Now I have some of the hoses made up as well as the dryer mounted. Here you can see the condenser unit inside of the firewall. I made a hose pass through for the firewall using 2 layers of silicone and a flange. Inside I ran a power wire for the fan motor and also I had to extend the wires for the switches. The air conditioning's all installed. Here's the compressor, Sandin 508. Bracket from Vintage Air worked out very well. Got my lines ran and everything. Everything's working good. Haven't had any problems with it yet. The wiring was pretty decent. It came with a relay and was pretty easy to install. There's the condenser in the front with the auxiliary fan. And also the air conditioning unit has a heater, so it's working pretty decent too. I've got a shut-off valve there. I've got my drain hose right there. There's my controls. The vents also from Vintage Air. They work pretty decent. I also have my factory vents hooked up. There's the unit. Basically in the glove box. Everything works great.